Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing fantastic day. Guys, as per YouTube, there is around 60%, like a little over 60% of you guys that did not subscribe to my channel but who actually regularly watch my videos. That's crazy. And if you like unboxing videos and play around with makeup, don't forget to smash that subscribe button in face and give this video a big thumbs up. And today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Boxyluxe for the month of March 2021, and I'm really excited to open up this beauty. So this is the first time that I got a Boxyluxe, and I think I paid around $49.99, something like that, because the regular Boxycharm or the base box that would retail for $25 and you would get 5 full size products, and this one you would be getting 8 premium products, so 8 full size premium products. So let's open up this beauty and let's see what we got. Now let's dive in. This card that we got around this time for the St. Patrick's Day, so it says Boxyluxe Lucky. First beauty that I have, Be Beauty London eyeshadow palette, and this one retails for $50. Let's see, I'm going to open this up. So wow, so here is the color story. That's a really pretty colors. So all of these are like metallic pigments. Most of them, there are very few mattes, and there is one blue. So most of them are the shimmer kind of eyeshadows, and they are around 1 2 3 4, just 4 or 5 of them are mattes, and it's pretty much more like a neutral palette except one blue. And let's see about this beauty. Jet milled pigments deliver intense saturated light reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finish. And this one retails for $50. I think I paid around $49, and that's a good start because this itself like retails for $50. Up we have this. So this is Glow Recipe, and it's a plump hyaluronic serum. This is how it looks. It don't have any smell, but I have like really good reviews on this one, so I definitely want to own this one. Once you apply it, your skin gets like kind of taggy, which is which indicates that it's a good moisturizer or a serum. So if you see, it's like glowy, and this one retails for $42. I'm glad that I received it. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plumping radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plump hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. We have this, and this is the one that I actually did choose. So that is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I got in the shade 360. I think they gave that based on my profile, whatever I did fill. So I don't know if that's my right match, but let's see. It has got really good weight and feels like one of those luxury kind of foundations. So let's see. It might be light for me, but I'm going to give it a shot. And this one retails for $36. This long wearing light as air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore diffused, shine free finish. Won't clog pores. So I'm going to try this foundation. Okay, that's a light shade. So I'm going to finish my rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. Here is my complete look. I kept it really simple this time around, and this is the lipstick that I'm using. This is from Jeffree's Char Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Family Jewels, and this is the highlighter that I'm using. This is Floss, and this is in the shade Sunlit, and this is the same highlighter that I'm using on my face and also on my eyelid to give that pop of color. This is the Rose Quartz hair mask, and this one retails for $31. Your touchstone of hair products, the Rose Plus Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfate, sodium chloride, parabens. Next up we have this, and this is the one that I did select, and this one retails for $150. So I thought of, why not give it a shot. So this is what it looks, and this is tiny. I think this is like travel size mini heat brush, and it's really teeny tiny. This one retails for $150 for this size. That's damn expensive. If I were to buy this on my own for $150, no, I'm not going to buy this one. That's the advantage of having this subscription boxes. Like, you could just grab stuff that you would never try on your own. This is a powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. I'm going to try it on this part of my hair. Looks good. Okay, let's try. There is like this kink in this hair still, so it doesn't want to straighten my hair, but let's try on this one. Maybe that didn't heat up earlier, but right now it did, so it's kind of doing its job. Next up we have this, so that is Beauty Bakery blending egg beauty sponges, and this one retails for $80. We have got like 6 of them in there. Get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Next up I have this, so that is the, oh, this looks pretty beat up, so this is how it looks. So this is the Dominic Cosmetics, and this is creamy fill and define lip liner, and this one also retails for $18. Define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. It has got this like a triangle shape kind of lipstick, or not lipstick, I think lip liner that you can fill it up. Next up we have, okay, this is the one that I was like the most excited about, and that is the AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Gold Lip Plumping Mask, and this one retails for $42. Lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. I am sorry to admit, but I did cheat on this one. I was like little too curious to try this one, and I did try this one last night. My bad. And this is how it looks, and it has got like that gold glitter kind of stars and sparkles, whatnot, and this looks like really pretty and smelled good, like more of a mint kind of smell, and it did have that tingling kind of effect. So overall my lips did like it, but it's kind of bothering to have that star kind of glitter sitting on your lips. That's the only complaint that I have, but overall I did like this one, and this one retails for $42. Awesome. So those are all the products that I received in the Boxyluxe, and well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button in face and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.